Sun enters Gemini mid-June and stays to mid-July. A very warm welcome to everyone. I'm Swamini Valli, a Pillai Center teacher and an Astrovet astrologer. Today's topic is the annual transit of the Sun into the zodiac sign of Gemini. Each year, the Sun enters Gemini in mid-June and stays there until mid-July. According to Dr. Pillai, this transit gives an opportunity for each of us to enrich both our spiritual and material mindset. The Sun in Gemini can help illuminate our focus on the two parts of what Dr. Pillai calls the 200% life, 100% spiritual and 100% material. In the Vedic tradition, Gemini has a dual symbol, a man with a mace and a woman with a stringed instrument. Gemini is an invigorating air sign that encompasses a great range of energies, sort of martial arts class one night, Shakespeare play the next night. The Sun's presence in Gemini may trigger a desire for greater mental stimulation and encourage us to renew contacts across a diverse circle of friends. Gemini is ruled by quick-witted Mercury, the planet of communication arts and conversation. The two humans in the dual symbol of Gemini suggest our basic social need for talking and sharing ideas with others. Many people can use this time to lighten up a bit and renew their sense of humor, including their ability to laugh at themselves or to put a smile on the face of another person. Mercury, the ruler of Gemini, is also known as the merchant planet. He is in charge of all forms of buying and selling. The Sun in Gemini may shine light into new marketing plans and projects for commercial success. Some people may look at developing more than one stream of income. Some people may experience fresh opportunities for new training or learning new skills. Others may be able to look at ideas from new angles. The Sun in Gemini may cause some people to develop more of their talents in different areas. The Sun here can also inspire people to improve their communication skills in all areas, speaking, writing, and even nonverbal communication. Gemini is the natural third house of the zodiac, with associations of courage and risk-taking. Dr. Pillai has said, the Sun gives you not only life, but also clarity of mind and courage. While the Sun is in Gemini, some people may be faced with developing more courage and examining their ability to take risks. Some people may find it easier to be flexible and more cooperative with others. For many people, the Sun in Gemini is a good time to accept social invitations and to enjoy the company of others, whether in person or through technology such as phone, Skype, Zoom, etc. One of the areas Mercury rules is astrology. Astrology is the science of changes in time, while Vastu or Feng Shui are sciences about changes in space. For some people, the Sun in Gemini may spark interest in learning about some of the elements of time, such as the planets, the stars, the moon phases, the hours of the day, etc. Dr. Pillai has said, the astrology developed in India was created by the seers, saints, sages, who stay in contact with the divine. Our Vedic astrology charts may be different from our Western astrology charts. Dr. Pillai has recommended for people to learn some things about their own Vedic astrology birth chart, such as what sign is their ascendant, what sign is their sun in, what sign is their moon in, what is their birth star, and what is their current major and minor planet of influence. The Sun in Gemini can be a favorable time to engage in exploration about our birth charts as a tool for self-discovery. Each year, the Sun is in Gemini during mid-June to mid-July. This is the last portion of the Sun's 6-month Uttarayana cycle, a period considered especially favorable for blessings for bringing new projects out into the world. May we all take advantage each year of the creative energies and blessings available to us when the Sun is in Gemini. Please let us know in the comments if our video is helpful. Please press the like button and subscribe to the Pillai Center Practice channel. The entire Pillai Center team is wishing you well.